By the special grace of God, I am happy that this thing, what is going, not that I am happy for the killing or for the attack, but the issue is this. You know, whatsoever that happens, Nigeria always tag and accuse ECN. They always accuse Simon Akpan. They always accuse innocent people. Whereas all these people, listen to me and listen very carefully. All these things that happen is not ECN. Yes. It's not Simon Akpan. Yes, they are not ESN. See, listen to me. All these things that is happening there, Sorudo, before Sorudo come into power, all these things, kidnapping have been existing in Nigeria. Before the forming of ECN, kidnapping have been happening in Nigeria.
But do you not think it's now worse under his tutelage?
See, let me tell you, even before the late of Ifan Yoba and Mba family, listen and listen good. In case you forget so soon, in 1999, first democracy in Nigeria, if you watch, that was the tenor of Obasanjo and the tenor of Ngige. Are you getting it? Which Ngige was declared the winner, whereas Peter Obi, the current Labour Party candidate president now, won the election, and the election was leaked and it was given to Ngige. Are you getting it? Now, the former Labour minister. Now, this thing happened during his tenure when Ngige was in power. Ngige, being a governor, was kidnapped in Anambra State for 3 good months. Ngige was not on seat. Ngige was nowhere to be found. So this kidnapping and whatsoever has been taking place before the forming of ESN and IPOB and Simon Akpan. But to anything that happens now, they will target ESN. They will target IPOB, accusing them. They will target again Simon Akpan, accusing him. Whereas all this kidnapping, all these hoodlums activities in Anambra State has been going on even from the state level before now. So I don't know why, if anything of such happen, like this one that happened now, the Buba, General Buba, even said that they have arrested ESN commander, 3 of them or whatsoever. These people are not ESN. Stop spoiling the name. Stop accusing innocent people. ESN on Tuesday, Monday and Tuesday, when I saw it, I wrote, I said, where are you people? So as I was saying, that is what I was saying. Where are you? But all these things that we have been accused wrongly. So this man that they arrest, they should checkmate the hoodlums, because both ECN and hoodlums, they call them, unknown government. They should checkmate if these people are ECN. Like I said it before, then this thing that happened, ECN hand and IPOB are what? Their hands are clean. Their hands are clean. Go to other people, Ugua, or what is his name, that they say is from ECN commander, and the other one they say is the sponsor. Is that not what they say? The sponsor. Please, let's checkmate if that thing is not blackmailing. Let's checkmate if that thing is not a false allegation. Let's checkmate if truly that person in quote is the one sponsoring, and if it is the one behind what is going on as of yesterday. Let there be thorough checkmation on all these issues, so that innocent people will not be continue victimized again, or marginalized again, or being messed up again, or innocent souls' lives be going, suffering on nothing they know not. So please, please, and please, I am pleading I am pleading. Please, please. Back in the days, when information comes, as at that time, you will see men, some officers like police, back in the days, they will come in disguise. They can even disguise like a mad person, go the area, live in area for some like 3 months, parade in area, sleep in area, in disguise, to get a concrete information of what they had or what they are looking for, before they will come up and carry out an assignment. But these days, I don't know what is happening among the Nigerian security personnel. Let some issues be thoroughly taken before action could be carried out, so that the name of police, the name of Nigerian military should not be messed up. Because like me, I am losing confidence in government, Nigerian police. I'm losing my faith on them. In fact, they are not reliable anymore to me, as long as I am concerned. Are you getting it? As long as I am concerned, there should be something, people that we're supposed to rely, people to run to. But please, please, I am pleading, let them do the needful. They understand what I'm trying to say more than my very self pointing it out. They should know but better than me, which I believe they did. So let them carry in order to keep their legacy address in a clean hand. Are you hearing me? Has she ever addressed the Easterners or the youth and they pay attention to her politically? She has not done that. We don't know much. We only know her face. That is hypocrisy. In the April 13, 1997, Tinubu stated it clearly. April 13, 1997, he said he did not believe in one Nigeria. In 2012, the same Tinubu at the rate of 120 naira, so that we remove fuel subsidy and be buying for at the rate of 120 naira. Tinubu sponsored Ojota dancing and Ojota things. And now look at the price of fuel today. He's believing in one Nigeria now, because it has come to his turn. Because it has come to his turn. Now he's believing in one Nigeria. It has come to his turn, then nobody will dance in Ojota. So the price of fuel, the subsidy, it should be normal. Abi, God bless you, my beloved brother. I remember my humble self, Evangelist Benjamin Johnson S.S. Nachi, the only Biafran evangelist that speak the truth and nothing but the truth. Now listen and listen good. Yes, Bianca has been given an appointment to become the spokes of states and international affairs minister. Now listen and listen good. Bringing Bianca of Ojukwu, the late Ojukwu wife, into the system of this present government. I know Tinubu, Mr. President, is finding a means, a kind of to curb some angers, the devastation of the people from the southeast, probably coming 2027 election. But there's one thing I want to say. Now, Bianca Ojukwu is not somebody, a lady that can speak to the southeast and they will listen to her. In terms of
why do you say so?
Yes, listen and listen good. Adebin is the husband we are talking about here. I would have said yes, is the voice of the people. You know, there is a difference between somebody speaking the heart of men, the heart of the people, and somebody just coming out speaking on himself. Are you getting it? Has Bianca ever for one day addressed, are you hearing me? Has she ever addressed the Easterners or the youth and they pay attention to her politically? She has not done that. We don't know much. We only know her face.
We've heard her severally come out to plead for the release of Nnamdi Kanu.
She only say, listen to me, not everybody know her. Not everybody know her. as an activist. Not everybody take her word serious from the southeast. Not everybody that we see her now say, oh, this is Bianca. Are you getting it? And for your information, the way it is now, appointing Bianca, probably just as a former vice president have said, article, that is because of the coming up election in order to soften the heart of the Igbos. It cannot soften our heart through Bianca. And for your information, in the very first place of election, to be candid, they did not give Tinubu vote, not only the southeast. Even the Yorubas here, Nigerians did not give Tinubu vote. Even as at that time, that they have not even seen the true color of Tinubu in the House of Presidency. They didn't give him vote. Is it now that everybody is angry with Tinubu system of government because of the hungry? That you expect, especially the way the maltreatment, everything is going on, you expect them to come and give him vote? Are you getting it? Forget the system that some part of Yorubas now are not even supporting the, but in their heart they are not happy. Are you getting it? When it comes to vote, nobody see. You will see. Yoruba didn't vote for him. Let's just be sincere. Yes, I give a room to any Yoruba man to challenge. Even he himself, Mr. President, he said that Nigeria did not vote for him. Are you getting it? So, because when it comes to the presidency, we are talking about general here. Both Yorubas, Igbo, Hausa, everybody, they know their candidate, whom they voted for, not Tinubu. And every evidence, even including he himself, knew it. And he said it, that he know that Nigerians did not vote for him. You get it? So, bringing Bianca can never. And I know, probably there's every tendency because of that 2027 election, if you see that in order to calm the Igbos down, he might decided to release Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. But hey, free Mazen Nnamdi Kanu cannot even soften our heart again. Are you getting it? To cast vote to him. Because his leadership currently is not encouraging. It's nothing to write home about. So we cannot vote for him because we've not voted for him before. I don't know if you're understanding me. This is my point. So Bianca, he just gave Bianca an opportunity. No bad. It's not bad. And it's not wrong. But if he does it with intention to a kind of win the heart of the Easterners, it's making a very big, a huge, or you man call it a huge mistake. Because Bianca cannot address us and expect us to believe based on voting to Tinubu from 2027.
But right now, she'll be the one. She will represent Nigeria, internationally, trying to promote Nigeria's, as a brand. Do you think this will bode well for the Biafra?
Listen to me. She carrying a kind of the brand, as you said. Listen and listen good. Her brand has nothing to do with the heart of men, especially in the people of the Southeast. It's carrying a brand of Nigeria, not a brand of Biafra. And every Southeast man presses now, our heart, our mind is focused on Biafra brand, not Nigerian brand anymore. Because we are tired to join brand with Nigeria. We are no longer interested with Nigerian brand. We are interested in nothing but Biafra brand. So anybody, even if Ojukwu, which I know Ojukwu himself cannot, the late Ojukwu cannot do that. So let them go and bring go. Even Ojukwu's son cannot do that. Even though he come out now. Are you getting it? He comes out now to say, okay, the Biafran soldier, nobody will pay attention to him. Are you getting it? Because our heart has been made. We have made up our mind. Everybody we want to go. Biafra, we want to go. Because I'm a Biafran. Being an Igbo man, just as a Yoruba man will be able to tell you, I'm an Oduduwa. After all, Igbo submitted the Yoruba nation. So I'm a Biafran nation, so far I'm from Igbo. Are you getting it? Arewa is from the north. So I am a proud Biafran man. And as I'm talking to you, I am a brand of Biafra, not Nigeria. Likewise, every other Igbos, we are Biafran brand, not Nigerian brand. So anybody that comes from the east bearing Nigerian brand is not part of Biafra. So Bianca cannot influence anything in the Igbo land in order to give Mr. President vote on 2027.
Well, but according to what Article 8 said, he said Tinubu lost power. That this was the same person that said in 2017.
I'm not hearing you.
He said Article 8 said in 2012 Tinubu was against subsidy, but now because he's in power, he said he stands for subsidy now. And he also said that this was Tinubu that said time past that nothing like one Nigeria, but now Tinubu is standing firm on one Nigeria. Do you not think that Bianca working for Tinubu is do you not see as hypocrisy?
That is hypocrisy. In the April 13, 1997, Tinubu stated it clearly. April 13, 1997, he said he did not believe in one Nigeria. In 2012, the same Tinubu at the rate of 120 naira, so that we remove first subsidy and be buying for at the rate of 120 naira. Tinubu sponsored Ojota dancing and Ojota things. And now look at the price of fuel today. He's believing in one Nigeria now because it has come to his turn. Because it has come to his turn. Now he's believing in one Nigeria. It has come to his turn, then nobody will dance in Ojota. So the price of fuel and the subsidy it should be normal. I mean, that is a hypocrisy. That is political disappointment before humanity. That is abuse of integrity, an abuse of a principle of a man of a caliber, men of caliber and men of their words. Look at somebody like Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. He is a man of caliber. He's a man of principle. And he's a man of policy. Say, this is what I want. And he stood by it. Any man that is like this, whosoever that is like this, is not worthy of being a man, not to talk of a leader. So a leader is a man of policy, a man of principle, and a man with his standard. A man of his word. Not those that compromise. I don't know if you are getting me. And that is the kind of people we need. And that is why we are talking about Biafra today. Because we need such men to rule us. Not the people of otherwise.
But do you think Ojukwu will be proud of his wife, accepting the appointment?
I am not in the spirit, neither am I in the grave. Only those that are in the graveyard and in the spirit will understand that one. It's Ojukwu that knows. I don't know. Are you getting it? It's only Ojukwu in the grave who will answer that one. I will not answer that one because I don't know if he will be happy based on what is on the ground. That his son, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, what he started, now though he's not alive now, but somebody has picked up where he stopped today to where we are going, where we are today and where we will go after. I don't think whether he will be happy or he will not be happy. But for your information, we've not divided. Even if we are parted our ways in the spiritual, physically we have not parted our ways. So you see, under appointment because of Nigeria as it is now, until where Biafra stand. And moreover, I don't see such appointment as a kind of evil or betrayal, because Okonjo Iweala today is not managing Nigeria. It's a Nigerian, Igbo to be precise, but she's not managing Nigerian economy. It's managing the economy of the world in another country. Are you getting it? So an appointment like that is not a crime, neither is it a sin, until we have what we are looking for. And even if you have what you are looking for today and they do not treat you well or give you appointment that suit you, that you qualify or you merit, and another country sees it and give it to you, you are entitled to go for it. It doesn't stop you from being a citizen of a Biafra. So just like Okonjo Iweala, currently now she will not deny of not being a Nigerian or being an Igbo person. She will not deny that. She knows where she comes from.
Have you seen
but
it?
She's not working.
Have you seen it?
Do you think
All your oil.
you will be regretting?
The oil you're crying, that Biafra, why Biafra are including Niger Delta into Biafra? Because they won't take your oil. And the little one you feel you're eating from the oil and gas, people don't want to take it away from you. I, Mr. Parademi Okokondem, I like this type of thing to be happening. I like people who feel they know and they don't know that nature should be teaching them lessons. Edwin Clark, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Now your eye have opened to say no to government of Nigeria. Yes, last week he was supporting them. That he believed in one Nigeria. See the one Nigeria you have believed. One Nigeria is starting happening to you now. Eh? Now this one don't shake you, because I know that even that Niger Delta ministry, you swear you yourself are collecting some chicken change there. Now they want to block the chicken change you are collecting. That the change will take, that you take to take snuff on your videos. Because I don't say the people that come from this area know how to take snuff, south and southeast. They know how to take snuff well. So that's a chicken change for snuff. People want to remove them. That's why you are crying. You see? Are you not the one that said you're not to Biafra? You are Nigeria. Nigeria has given you what made you to be Nigeria. You are not crying. So over the dead boy, you not agree. Look at you are Nyamiri, you are Nyamiri. You are Mibo, you are Mibo. You are Biafra, you are Biafra. Because Leopard cannot change his spots. Do you understand? Thank you. But Edwin Clark, have you seen it? Have you seen it?
Do you think
All your oil.
you will be regretting?
The oil you are crying, that Biafra, why Biafra are including Niger Delta into Biafra? Because they won't take your oil. And the little one you feel you're eating from the oil and gas, people don't want to take it away from you. It's not good for you to join Biafra, because if you remain in Nigeria, the oil you're not drinking it. The gas is not blowing you. In Biafra, you feel that it's not blowing you. In Nigeria, it's not blowing you. Then now you see, if that is the case, it seems that you are standing between the deep blue sea and the devil. Which one to choose? Are you to choose the deep blue sea, or are you to choose devil? Which one? Because that's what you feel. That Biafra will grab your oil and gas, they will not give you. It's better for you to stay with Nigeria. And Nigeria have given you, show you where they're heading to. That nothing for you. Now, which one do you choose? You have tried Nigeria now and see them. Why can't you try Biafra? Be in Biafra. Try Biafra and see what will be. Whether your oil and gas, whether you are going to control it, whether it's Biafra to control it. Try Biafra, please. Try Biafra and to see.
But of a truth, he said you know, the money that's supposed to be used in Niger Delta, Tinubu wants to allocate it to other regions to do other things. But do you not think this is unfair from Tinubu? You know, scrapping this ministry.
Is it today that been clear? No, that Niger Delta, as he said, or South or Southeast are marginalized. That they don't want development in that area. They don't want development in that area. Whether you call it South, whether you call it Southeast, whether you call it Niger Delta, whether you call it Igbo, whether you call it Biafrans, North and West, Yoruba and Hausa Fulani, and other tribes in the north don't want development in that area. That is why they use Supreme Court. Remove Ihedioha. That's why they're using Wike to fight Fabura. Fubara. Is it today that been clear? No, that Niger Delta, as he said, or South or Southeast are marginalized. That they don't want development in that area. They don't want development in that area. Whether you call it South, whether you call it Southeast, whether you call it Niger Delta, whether you call it Igbo, whether you call it Biafrans, North and West, Yoruba and Hausa Fulani, and other tribes in the north don't want development in that area. That is why they use Supreme Court. Remove Ihedioha. That's why they're using Wike to fight Fabura. Fubara. That name always has me to pronounce. Fubara, the current governor of Rivers State, because they have looked in depth that man, they cannot control him.